Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to Cat Scratch Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and fun gift for the holidays. M&M Cookie Mix in a jar. This is a great way to get the kids ready for the season. There are lots of ways for them to help, from layering the ingredients to sorting the colors of the M&Ms if you buy the regular multicolored packs. All you need are some basic ingredients and a quart-sized jar. These cookies are yummy and soft, make the house smell delicious, and they'll brighten up anyone's day. So grab your apron and let's get into the recipe. Okay, this is the 32-ounce jar that we're going to use for M&M Cookie Mix. We're going to start out, I'm going to use this little bowl because it has a spout. Mix our flour mixture. This is 1 1/3 cups of white flour. Have baking soda, baking powder, and salt. All the measurements are going to be down below in the recipe, so if I don't mention them, just check there. Just whisk this together, and now that's going to be the first layer in our jar. Try to get as much of it in the jar as possible. I'm just going to level it out and tamp it down just a little bit. Next, we're going to add our M&Ms. I'm using red and green ones for the holiday. You can actually use whatever color you want. You can use multicolors, change the color according to the holiday. Next, we're going to add brown sugar. Now our white sugar. We have rolled oats. And then we have chocolate chips. And there you go. And that's how you make wonderful M&M cookie mix in a jar. This is such a fun and easy gift idea for the holidays, and I'm sure your friends and family will love it. You can enjoy these cookies anytime you want just by adding some butter, eggs, and vanilla and baking them in the oven. They're colorful, chewy, and delicious. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more festive and tasty recipes. As always, the recipe and a link to print it out are just below the like button. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, have fun in the kitchen and happy holidays.